Hi guys, how are we doing? Dan here. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do another video like my previous one, the 5 things which I wish I knew about paramotoring. This time it's not so much what I wish I knew, it's more 5 things I've learned along the way. Okay, if you've not seen the other video guys, I'll try and put a link to it up here. If I don't do that for any reason, find it, it's quite good, it's been incredibly popular. So enjoy guys. So guys, the first thing from the 5 today is how addictive paramotoring is. Okay, I knew it was fun, I knew I was going to enjoy it, but what I didn't realise before starting was how much it was going to consume my life. People who do this kind of sport, you like flying, obviously like being off the ground, but it brings a whole new element of freedom to the point where, I can only speak for myself, but when you're driving to work, you're looking at the weather and you're looking at the clouds and you're like, oh, I could be out today flying. Or even when you're spending time with the family, you would rather be out flying. It literally consumes every part of your being. When you're in bed, you lay there, you try and sleep, you either have a dream about paramotoring or some form of flying, or you're planning your next mission in your head whilst you're in bed. So that's the first one, okay? First one, how much it consumes your life. If that's good or bad, who knows, you decide. So the second one of the 5, ladies and gentlemen, is the restrictions, okay? I was under the impression you get a paramotor, you take off, you buzz around, you do what the fuck you want, when you want, where you want, within reason. That's not the case. This may have been an element of naivety to a certain extent, but there is a ridiculous amount of restrictions when it comes to paramotoring. Airspace, ceilings, where you can and can't fly, air law, there is so much. So especially in the United Kingdom, it's not a case of take off and just buzz around for 3 hours, okay? If you know somebody with a lot of land and you've got permission, perfect, it's ideal, you've got your own personal playground. But otherwise, guys, that's not the case. There is a hell of a lot of restrictions. For the likes of the United States and the other countries, I'm not so sure. Obviously, you're a lot bigger, there's a lot more land. I think you can get away with a little bit more over there. So, second one is the restrictions. Guys, is wing size, okay? I thought I'd want a nice big wing so I get longer in the air and it's a lot more floaty and calm, and it's like a double-decker bus and I can stay in the air for days and whatever else. That's not really the case. To start with, maybe it's all fantastic, it's all new, it's all great, which it is, it's fucking amazing. But you will soon want to start downsizing your wing, especially if you're flying with other people. The guys I fly with fly 17 metre wings, 1-7. I currently fly a 22 metre wing, 2 meters. Okay, I fly the Scirocco 2, 22 meters, and it's not exactly big. Okay, but it's still too slow. I want that ground speed. I don't want to take an hour to get from A to B. I want it to be a lot quicker. So that is the third thing. Okay, wing size. Don't go and just buy an A-rated wing as soon as you've done your course. They'll probably, the instructors will probably push you into it, try and get you to. Not my business. My advice as a experienced pilot in other realms, not so much paramotoring, don't buy a wing to start with. I mean, obviously buy one. Don't buy a brand new A-rated wing. Buy some old beat up piece of shit and get some time on it, because you will want to downsize your wing. You will. You will not want a big wing forever. You will not want a big wing forever. I've said it twice. It's that important, okay? You will want to downsize. That's number 3. Fourth point is modifications. Okay, paramotors are cool, we all agree on that. There is a lot of mods you can do on a paramotor. All of a sudden this Parajet Maverick is, however cool it is, and it does look cool as standard, but all of a sudden you want 3 props, 4 props, smoke systems, strobe lights. You want your propeller to look like it's got a marble effect instead of carbon fibre. You want it to be orange instead of blue. There is loads, and it gets expensive. So, fourth point, modifications. You are going to want to pimp your ride. Number 5, final point is lightweight kit. We've explained like downsizing wings, so lightweight kit is quite important in the paramotor world, I think, if you've got the money for it, because obviously lightweight kit is more expensive. So having this heavier wing is fine, you know, it works, but it's a lot harder to launch. Why not get, when you can and your flying's at that level, get a smaller wing so you've got the ground speed, but get a lightweight wing as well. Okay, it'll come up over your head quicker, you'll launch quicker, it just feels so much better, okay? We all know everybody wants lightweight kit, we do. We all, especially me, and especially in a hike and fly capacity, not so much paramotor, we all want this Gucci lightweight kit, but obviously it comes at a price, so you make the decision whether it's a valid reason for you or not, but for me it was. A lightweight wing, launch easier, transport easier, it's just better. Everything about it is better. It handles better, comes up over your head, you can ground handle it better, nil wind launches are easier, it makes sense. So guys, they're my 5 points, okay? I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, click like and subscribe. I never know where it is. But thanks for watching, guys, it's greatly appreciated. Hopefully this one will be as popular as the other. Like I said, if you've not seen the other one yet, I'll try and put a link to it about somewhere. In regards to this, guys, there will be a video coming on in a little while. There's a current investigation going on. A small mishap, shall we say. But we're all good. All right, guys, best of luck. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.